Good morning, children. Do a helpful and or kind act for someone who has done something good for you. If you are good to others, others will be good to you. Yes, children, if you treat people with love and compassion, they will treat you the same way. And that is what the story today is, the thankful lion. So let's read the story. There lived a slave named Androclus. He was unhappy with the work he had to do in the kingdom. So one day, when no one was watching him, he ran away. He had been running for quite some time when he came face to face with a lion in the forest. Out of fear, he stopped. Androclus noticed that the lion was licking his paw and growling in pain. There must be a thorn stuck in your paw, he thought. He wanted to help the poor animal, but was not sure how the lion would react. So he started talking to the lion. You have a thorn stuck in your paw. If you don't eat me, I can remove the thorn. So now this is about a slave named Androclus who was living in a kingdom, and he was very unhappy with the work that he was doing. So what he decided to run away from the kingdom, and he started running away when nobody was watching him. So he ran in the forest and he saw a lion there who was crying in pain. So he told the lion, I think there is a thorn जो आपके पैर में चुभ रहा है. If you don't eat me, I can remove the thorn. Now let's see what the lion says. The lion seemed to understand and looked at Androclus with a helpful look in his eyes. It was hoping that Androclus would be able to relieve him from the pain. Androclus thought a little scared, summoned all his courage and lifted the lion's paw. The lion moaned in pain. Androclus slowly, firmly removed the thorn from his paw. So now the lion looked at the slave and said, "No problem, you remove the thorn." So Androclus ने lion का पैर उठाया और जल्दी से thorn खींच लिया पैर से. It roared loudly but was immediately quiet and relieved. It licked Androclus' hand as if to say thank you. So जैसे that thorn came out of the paw, the lion was relieved and he started licking Androclus' hand saying thank you so much. Both lion and Androclus got up and go their own way, but when suddenly heard the beating of the drum, thump thump, Androclus was about to run, but king's soldiers soon surrounded him from all sides. Poor Androclus and the lion was captured and taken to the court. So both lion and Androclus started going to their own ways, but they heard king's soldiers coming in, and the soldiers captured both of them and took them to the king's court. Androclus was kept in the jail while the lion was locked in the cage and not fed for 2 days. On the 3rd day, the king sentenced Androclus to be thrown to the hungry lion. Though the lion was starving, he mercilessly licked Androclus' hand as though he was greeting him. So now when the soldiers caught lion and Androclus, they put them into jail और lion को 2 दिन तक खाना भी नहीं दिया. So the king said, now do one thing, you throw Androclus in front of the hungry lion and let the lion eat Androclus. But जैसे ही वो खुद lion के सामने डालते हैं तो Androclus को lion greet करता है, welcome करता है. The guard was taken back by this gesture and ran to inform the king of lion's behavior. The king of the emperor was astonished. He was curious to hear the reason for lion's behavior. So when the king saw that the lion started licking Androclus, they went to the king and said that the lion is not eating that man, he is loving him, he is greeting him. So the king said, what happened? Let us go and see. When Androclus narrated the incident that took place in the jungle, the king was impressed and wanted to reward both Androclus and the lion for their concern for each other. He decided to set both of them free. So when king heard the whole story, king loved that they both were very much concerned about each other. So he freed both the people, the lion and the man, and they set him free. See children, even animals understand that you love them. So when you give them food, when you give them water, when you love them, they also love you back. अगर आप उनको पत्थर मारोगे, उनको चिढ़ाओगे, उनको परेशान करोगे, they will bark at you. I know that you must have seen this, children. Now that you are at home, you must have seen cows or dogs around your area. So see, if you feed them, they will come daily to your house to have food. If you give them water, the dog will wag their tail when you come out. This is the way they show their love and compassion, children. So always treat animals with compassion and always be concerned about each other. That is very important. When we love each other, we get that same love back. Okay, read the story thoroughly. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye and take care.